Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fund your Coinbase wallet. First, ensure you have the Coinbase wallet app installed and set up on your device. You'll need to complete any necessary verification steps within the app to access all features. This process is designed to be secure and user-friendly, guiding you through each stage. Having your wallet ready is the first crucial step before adding any assets. There are a few convenient ways to get funds into your Coinbase wallet. You can directly buy cryptocurrency using a linked bank account or debit card, which is often the quickest method for new funds. Alternatively, if you already hold crypto on the Coinbase exchange, you can transfer it to your self-custody wallet. Lastly, you can receive crypto from friends or other wallets by sharing your wallet address. Let's walk through the steps. Open your Coinbase wallet app and look for the Receive or Add Funds button, usually prominent on the main screen. Next, select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to add and your desired funding method, such as a bank transfer or debit card. The app will then guide you with clear, on-screen instructions to securely finalize your transaction. It's a simple process designed for ease of use. When funding your wallet, always double-check the recipient address to prevent errors, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Be mindful of any associated transaction fees and the varying network confirmation times, which can impact how quickly your funds appear. For more details on these processes, check the in-app help section. Also, for an amazing home upgrade, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.